Hello everyone, welcome back to my garden. As you can see, everything is out except my ginger. This is actually dying. As you can see, the leaves are already brown and drying out, so I guess it's time to dig. Oh, by the way, I planted these when was that? I think end of May or beginning of June 2020, and now it's November 4th 2020, and I think it's really time to come out. So here we go, guys. Oh, it's so hard to do this when you are filming. Okay. Oh boy. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. When I planted this, it was only like an inch and a half, okay? And every inch and a half has to have a nodule. Oh boy, what the heck did I do now? All right, well, right now, I'm gonna show you what I have here. Hold on, guys. So guys, let me tell you something. This is the ginger. This is not, usually we call this ginger root, but it's not a ginger root. This is actually ginger rhizome, okay? Yes, people just call it ginger roots, but they are not roots. These are the roots of the rhizome, okay guys? That's the roots. There are a lot of roots, but they are there left under the ground. Anyway, these are rhizomes. As you can see, guys, there's more nodule here, right there. So if you plant this little piece, it's gonna give you a lot of ginger. So this one, June, July, August, September, October, this is only 4 months old. This usually takes 7 to 9 months before harvest. But since I planted it so late and frost is coming and I have to harvest this, so there's more here, guys. The soil is very soft because it was raining for a couple days. So here we go. Let me do this one. Oh, that was easy. Here we go, guys. That's a lot, isn't it? It's really a lot. Wow, I'm surprised. This was just an inch and a half when I planted it, but there's a lot of cars passing by. It's kind of noisy. So here we go. Look at that, guys. That's a lot. Look at it. Oh my. I will show you the original one that I planted was this one. This little piece. It's like just a little over an inch. But look what I got. And here we go. This is another one. Oh, I hope I don't break anything. Kind of hard when other hand is filming and the other hand is trying to, oops, snap. Boom. Wow. Look at this, guys. Wow. This is just amazing. Wow. I can't believe this. This is actually my second year of planting this. As you can see, guys, that's the roots, okay? The ginger root. This is not the roots. This is not the roots. These are the rhizomes. So the one that we use, the one that we buy at the store and use it for cooking are the rhizomes. These are the roots, okay? Don't get it wrong, guys. All right, one last one is this tiny little one. Oh dearie, I don't know about this one. Woo, look at how cute is that. Oh, look at this. My. So actually, guys, these are fresh rhizomes. They are actually not supposed to be used yet. You're supposed to cure this, like cut this off maybe an inch, or you can cut it down there and let it dry, let it cure or dry for, I don't know, a couple weeks before you can use them, because it's not going to give you the same taste, the same aroma. But if you wait a couple weeks, you will get that taste. Whoa, look at this. Amazing, guys. Love it. Hold on. Okay, so here we go. Together that. See? So easy to plant this, guys. These are the roots, big roots. Roots, okay? These are the rhizomes. We call this what do you call this now in the Philippines? Luya, or in Ilocano we call it laya, but we always call it ginger roots. But they are not roots, they are rhizomes, because this rhizomes has its own roots, which is this one, okay? This one, big roots. See that? So you see how much I got for 4 little ginger that I planted? Look how much I got. A lot. Fresh. And for some people, guys, I tried this one time. You can also use the leaves while they're fresh, or for your tea, or you can also use these dry ones and cut them up into flakes and use them for seasoning or for tea. But I don't. I use this. I use the rhizomes for my tea. Especially when I'm not feeling well, I make my ginger tea with lemons and they're delicious. So there you go, guys. Hold on. Let me hold this up for you. Oh, yeah. Yummy. See that? It's so sunny today. Here you go, guys. That is my ginger roots. Oh no, I'm sorry. My ginger plants. So I need to clean this bed because I need to plant my garlic the end of November, or maybe third week of November, before the frost comes. And then I will clean this up, prep it, plant my garlic, and then cover them with leaves or some kind of mulch. That way, to protect them during winter, because during winter my garlic will go dormant, and by early spring we're gonna start sprouting, or maybe before the spring begins, probably like few weeks before the end of winter you will start sprouting. As long as the weather is nice, or when it's raining, oh, believe me, they will start sprouting. But as soon as the snow hits, they will not die. They're very sturdy. They will not die. They will just go back to dormant, and then by springtime they'll come back to life. So anyway, guys, there goes my ginger. Look at that, nice and fresh ginger. Alright, guys, well, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something about my ginger. So I am going to start planting my ginger early this year, probably around May or April. That way, when it comes to harvest, I will get a whole lot. But then again, ginger doesn't like much water, so springtime, it rains a lot, so some of them will not survive because they don't like water that much. So you have to plant them in a well draining spot of your garden, mostly raised bed. It's not advisable to plant them in the pot unless the pot has a lot of big holes, then it's okay. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day, and God bless us all. Thank you and goodbye.